$60 we are using to make 3,000 USDT. This is actually account management. So if you are interested in account management, you lost so much money in your forex trading, you want to actually recover everything you've lost, and you want to make this kind of profit in your market, you want to benefit, or maybe you've been busy doing some works but you are still interested in forex trading, please go to my comment section or my description. Click the link on my description or my comment section to direct you over to my free Telegram channel. Join our free Telegram channel and message me for account management. Now, VIP Telegram channel is where I'm gonna be sharing free signal every blessed day. You're gonna be watching our take profit, our markets. I'm gonna be sharing every details of what I'm doing in the market in that particular VIP Telegram channel. So if you want to actually join, please be my guest. And also, if you are interested in online class, well, I'm offering online class just a little fee. So join our free Telegram channel right away and message me and tell me the one you are actually interested in. So this is actually account management. As you can see, we are running in $3,000 with just $60. It's crazy because a lot of people in comment section won't even expect them to actually believe this. There is many. I know I've been posting videos. There'll be many people trying to tell me this is wrong, this is wrong, this is demo account on all that. As you can see, the withdraw button is on top of it. As you can see clearly, this is actually a real account. So if you still have doubt, I can still do it in your account over and over again. Just come to my DM right away. Go to my comment section. Click the link on my comment section because I'll be dropping the link on my Telegram channel in the comment section. So click the link on my comment section. It will direct you over to my free Telegram channel. Join our free Telegram channel and message me for an account management. Now I'm hoping this video go extremely viral so that I can be able to catch up audience that needs this account management, that needs to actually recover their losses in the forex market. Now, this is actually help for me to you that have been suffering, that have been losing so much money in the forex market. I'm not gonna be telling you guys that I'm totally gonna be making every details of the account 100% profit, but I'm gonna be telling you if I'm gonna be trading 10 accounts, I'm gonna be losing only 2 inside. So be the number one, or be the lucky people, the lucky 8 people that is gonna be making money, gonna be profitable in the market with me. So what are you waiting for? Go to my description or my comment section. Click the link on my comment section or my description. It will direct you over to my free Telegram channel. Join our free Telegram channel and message me immediately for your account management. All right, have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video. I'm gonna be seeing you guys. If you are not following me, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so because I'm gonna be posting strategy that you need to use in order to make massive profit as a beginner in forex market. Now, this strategy is actually free when I'm going to be posting it here. So if you are not following me, you are going to be missing a lot in this particular video. And I'm going to be posting this strategy free because many professionals will tell you this strategy is actually built millions of dollars in it. Like this strategy, it's worth millions of dollars in it. But I'm gonna be giving you guys for free. I'm gonna be teaching you guys every details of it for free. So follow this page. If you are not following this page, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button in order to actually get a message anytime I post. Comment how much you've lost so far in the comment section and message me in my Telegram channel for your account management. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next upper video. Thank you so much.